Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix snipping tool crashing on your Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Windows, and first of all, we need to open up the snipping tool setting. So here I'm going to go to the search menu and I'm going to search for snipping tool. Okay, this one. And then I'm going to right click on it and then go to the app setting. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, and then you can either repair your snipping tool or reset your snipping tool, but before you do that, you can see the difference here. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected, or you can reset it. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So this is the difference. This is the difference between repair and reset. You won't lose your data if you repair the snipping tool, but if you reset it, your app's data will be removed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix snipping tool crashing in Windows. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.